Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This is a channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading while managing risk. Let's get into it. Hey, hit that thumbs up button. It doesn't cost anything, but it'll help generate more traffic to the channel so we can get this message out there to more people. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button so we can get started. Excuse me. Okay, so this is NAS looking at the monthly. We see we're trying to get probably up to 15,489. Let's zoom that in a little bit. Yeah, 489. Let's see what it's been doing since the beginning of the month here. Weekly, it had a nice little bullish candle. You see, we hit some of our uh, some of those imbalances last month. So, will it pull back to those imbalances? Let's look at our 4 hour. We see here we have a breaker structure up here, so it didn't quite come back to this imbalance. Let's look at the hourly and see what it looks like. So look at that. Came right back on down to those imbalances we were looking at. So my thought is it probably will come all the way back down here, this imbalance, before continuing on up. So I would be looking for buys in this area here. What is this? What do we have here? Yeah, 14. What is this? 14. 827. Yeah, I'll be looking for buys from this area. Um, this was one of the areas we were talking about last week. It actually hit there, 15,035. Then you got some pips right there, but now it's coming back down. Yeah, I would be looking for buys from this area. Let's go ahead and start this over from scratch. Yeah, see our monthly candles pulling back real nicely. So in my mind, it's the wick developing. That's the reason why I said what you'll see is those imbalances. Um, and on our weekly, see we got a breaker structure right here. It's moving bearish, and daily we had several a few bearish daily. So going back to what we were talking about, especially on that hourly, we had some imbalances left to be managed right down to here. And it already cleared up this imbalance up here. So uh, looking at our daily, this is our range right now. It's our range right now. Like I said, going back, yeah, I'll be looking for buys in this area right here, and a nice little 30-minute confirmation going back the other way. As you see all the way down here that uh, these candles close well below, it consolidated well below where we were looking at. So always be sure when you're looking for those confirmations for breaker structure, um, for it to go back the other way, get a nice solid confirmation that it is. We can actually look at that. Let me throw a rectangle around this area here. So we're looking on an hourly. We had a nice hour confirmation that was headed back the other way. So yeah, 30-minute. We had a little fake out here. So yeah, look, just be a little cautious. Make sure you know where you're going to set your stop loss at behind those structures. But yeah, looking at this is a nice hour confirmation. We were waiting for the pullback, put a nice stop loss behind here, and just let it climb. And could have our take profit probably would have been here, and anything else would have been butter. Would have been butter. So again, let's Take that off. Looking at where price is right now for this week. Um, yeah, it's already broken this structure here. Let it continue on down. Might have a little support here at what is this? 14,913. Probably have a little support right here before it continues down, or it might just shoot straight through there. But we're still looking for NAS to push up to what was our monthly goal? Yeah, at least come back up here to this area here. It's probably a little bit higher. Yeah, because we had this imbalance up here. So yeah, I definitely looking for NAS to come back all the way up to here, 15,653. I think that's a good goal. Um, but again, for the week right now, we're mainly looking at hitting this imbalance right here and then moving on up to break this high and definitely this high right here. What's this high here? 15,194. Yeah. Or and like go ahead and pull these out. Start with the way. Pull these out here. Yeah, looking here, that's a nice discount here. Even right here where we were looking at before with the would it being just to here? If you'd have got in on that, what is it, hourly? Yeah, it's still been below 50%. So yeah, just be a little again, just understand where you are in the market in the day, and make sure we're getting good confirmation before you guys are taking trades. But yeah, we're looking forward to come back down here. Let's go on over to gold. Gold is still kind of moving sideways within that range. Um, you're seeing we're getting lower highs daily. Zoom in a little bit. So for me, right now, my thought is this is the pullback for the month. It's developing that wick. How high it will go, I don't know. But actually, it did it literally. If we take a look on the monthly, it literally came back in this area, touched it, and then continued down. Came back, touched it. We got a bullish week right there. Let's get rid of that. And then daily. So it's been kind of moving sideways, right? So with gold, other than this area right here, it may touch that imbalance and continue on down. I think this is still a good play, but it's just not moving like the other indices and things. So we're not gonna just kind of understand where we are in the market again. Will it come back here and take care of this imbalance and then continue on down? Hopefully, but right now, we're not showing too much movement. We got a little sideways movement, so yeah. Even if you like, I don't know. I would wait for a nice 4 hour, and there we go. So we have lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high. Yeah. Take a sell here. Stop loss back there. That's a good spot. Um, Again, always be aware of the time frame that you the time of trading. Make sure you're trading during premium times. If you take a trade right now, um, like kind of after hours, uh, you run the risk of the um, algorithms taking out your trade. So just be cautious and trade like during prime trading times, so that yeah, you don't run the risk of getting stopped out of your positions. So but yeah, getting a nice confirmation, it may continue on down and then like break this low right here at 1905. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for it to continue all the way down here to 1836. So um, again, it's moving sideways. Not much. Uh, uh, Not much going on right now. It's kind of quiet. It's kind of consolidating. But yeah, just be patient. Don't feel like no trade is a position. So don't feel like you have to be in a trade right now. All right, let's go on over to Japanese British pound yen. Let's look at it monthly. It's been moving up, moving on up. So we had a nice little pullback right now. It's still showing bearish. However, let's be honest, even with it showing bearish right now for this, let's get a trend line here for this month so I know specifically what's been going on. So even though it's showing bearish, it's because like last week we had a bearish week, right? The pullback. Now we have a nice bullish candle. So yeah, just keep an eye on it. We got a nice confirmation here. We're creating higher lows. It may be ready to take off. What I would do personally, matter of fact, let's go ahead and clean this up. What I would do, I would watch since we're in a pullback phase. It seems to be taking off now. This is our new range here. Take this range here. Um, 4 hour. Why do I always do that? I know why I do that. Right now, we're looking at a bullish instrument. It's moving bullish. We're looking for price to come all the way back up here. And right now, where price is on a 4 hour. So right now, price is right at that 50% mark. So for me, and that's why I said like that's why I was looking at that. I would wait for it to break structure up here again at get a nice confirmation that it is moving bullish. Nice breaker structure here. Wait for the pullback and get in on the hourly. You see it all the way here. We had like this is pulled back to this area here, this imbalance. See how it broke structure here, pulled all the way back, created an imbalance, filled that imbalance. So it broke structure, dropped down. You see, you got a nice hour confirmation. Hey, moving back bullish. Then it filled up that. Then it dropped down again. Those were nice pips right there. You could have got in on the 30-minute. So that's the same thing I would be doing. I would wait for it to break structure, like right here. It's like it's moving sideways. So I would wait for it to come all the way back up to here to this 183.80. Let it do its thing, break the structure, come back, grab a nice buy in the imbalance once you get like an hour confirmation, set a nice stop loss, and then let it continue on up to 185.38. Looking at everything, yeah. I would just be patient right now. Yeah, get a nice break structure here. Yeah. Only thing I can see, and you probably want to look out for, since we have all of this imbalance here, it may come back and try to fill up this imbalance right here. It may try to come back. But looking at the how it's been moving, may not. Oh man, what is this? It has a wick. So is this a no wick? No wick week? Um. So yeah, just be a little bit patient. I would. Um, if it starts showing you some bearish movement, then you just got to reposition yourself. Stop loss up here, stop loss back here, and let it continue on down until it fills up these imbalances down here. Like got one right here on the daily. It already cleaned this one up. There's another one here. It may come back and fill them up. It may not. It may continue on. But right now we're looking at, it's not showing anything that's showing us that it's gonna bag up and fill up those imbalances. So right now, uh, Japanese British pound yen is bullish. That's how we're gonna trade it because that's what the market is telling us right now. So that's our trading plan for the week. If you have any questions, please make a comment down below. Hey, hit that thumbs up button, like the channel. I really appreciate all your support. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one.